There are some things people never seem to get tired of watching: ocean waves, a star-filled sky, and a real fire. Its gentle glow, the slow dance of the flames, and the crackling of burning wood create a unique feeling of warmth, peace, and comfort that is hard to replace. But in most modern apartments, a real fireplace remains more of a dream than a reality. That's why engineers have developed technologies designed to recreate the atmosphere of a real fire, without smoke, open flames, or complicated installation. The first and perhaps most realistic solution is the water vapor fireplace. Instead of burning wood or gas, it uses ultrasonic technology to turn water into an ultrafine mist. Illuminated by carefully positioned LED lights, the mist creates an astonishingly realistic three-dimensional flame. From a distance, it looks just like a real fire. But as you get closer, you realize something remarkable. You can actually touch the flames. They don't burn because what you're seeing isn't fire at all. It's illuminated water vapor. This technology lets you enjoy the atmosphere of a real fireplace without smoke, ash, or the smell of burning wood. That's why water vapor fireplaces are becoming increasingly popular not only in modern apartments, but also in hotels, restaurants, and other public spaces. Many models allow you to adjust the flame color and brightness, choose different operating modes, and control everything using either a remote control or a mobile app. With just a few taps, the atmosphere of the entire room can be transformed in seconds. Some models also include sound effects, adding the crackle of burning wood to the visual illusion. It is a small detail, but it makes the experience feel closer to sitting near a real fireplace. The most popular technology today is the LED fireplace. Instead of water, it uses LED lighting combined with a specially designed optical system to create the illusion of moving flames. This solution has proven so successful that LED fireplaces have become the most widely used decorative electric fireplaces in homes, hotels, and modern commercial interiors around the world. Unlike water vapor fireplaces, LED fireplaces do not require a water connection or regular refilling. They operate using only electricity, and routine maintenance is typically limited to occasional cleaning of the housing and internal surfaces to remove dust. As a result, they are suitable for most apartments where installing a traditional fireplace would be impractical or impossible. They provide a striking visual focal point for the interior without producing smoke, soot, or an open flame. Today, manufacturers use different optical technologies, so the appearance of the flames can vary significantly from one model to another. Simpler units create the effect using LEDs and reflective elements. More advanced models employ multi-layer optical systems that make the flames appear more three-dimensional, deeper, and considerably more realistic. That is why, when choosing an LED fireplace, it is important to look beyond the size or design of the unit and pay close attention to the quality of the flame effect itself. Models that look almost identical on the outside can deliver a completely different visual experience. Modern LED fireplaces are available in a wide variety of formats, from compact wall-mounted units to large panoramic built-in installations that become the visual centerpiece of an entire interior. Many models allow you to adjust the flame brightness, choose from different color modes, and customize additional lighting effects. This makes it easy to adapt the fireplace to different moods, lighting conditions, and interior design styles. As a result, LED fireplaces have become a versatile solution for modern apartments, hotels, restaurants, offices, and many other public spaces. The next category is LCD screen fireplaces. Their flame effect is created by a built-in liquid crystal display. It reproduces high-quality footage of real fire, capturing the natural movement, changing colors, and irregular shapes of the flames with exceptional realism. In many LCD fireplaces, the screen is combined with the physical log or ember bed. The real decorative elements form the foreground, while the moving flames appear behind them. This combination gives the firebox greater visual depth and prevents it from looking like an ordinary flat screen. In many LCD fireplaces, the brightness of the flame image and the lighting of the decorative log bed can be adjusted separately. During the day, the brightness can be increased so that the flame image does not fade in strong ambient light. In the evening, it can be reduced to create softer, more comfortable lighting. Some LCD fireplaces add the sound of crackling logs to the flame image, creating an atmosphere closer to that of a real wood-burning fireplace. Most LCD fireplaces are controlled by a remote. Some models can also connect to a mobile app, where the flame brightness, log bed lighting, and sound can be adjusted independently. LCD fireplaces usually cost more than basic LED models. The price increases with the size of the screen and the number of additional features, such as adjustable lighting, sound, and mobile app control. Decorative flame effect lights are the most affordable way to create the appearance of fire in an interior. They come in many different forms, from small tabletop lanterns and cylindrical lamps to hanging fixtures and taller floor-standing models. Instead of heating the room, they are designed to recreate the movement and warm glow of fire. The effect is created through a combination of light and movement. Some models use animated LEDs behind frosted glass, others illuminate reflective film, shaped acrylic panels, or lightweight fabric moved by a small fan. The result can range from a soft flicker to a more pronounced, but still clearly artificial, imitation of fire. Compact tabletop models are ready to use straight out of the box. They only need to be placed on a shelf or side table and connected to power. Depending on the design, they are powered by USB, batteries, or a standard wall socket. Because of their small size, the effect remains limited to the area around the lamp and cannot create the same visual impact as a full-size fireplace. Price is their main advantage. Many decorative models are sold for around $30 to $50, while simpler versions can cost even less. This makes them the least expensive way to create the appearance of moving fire in an interior, but they remain purely decorative and do not heat the room. These lamps work best in a dim room, where the moving light and reflections are easier to see. In bright daylight, the effect becomes much weaker, and it is more obvious that the flame is artificial. Placement also matters. Near a wall, glass surface, or mirror, the reflected glow can make a small lamp appear more prominent. Each of these technologies recreates fire in its own way. Steam fireplaces offer depth and natural movement. Mechanical LED models create a brighter decorative effect. And LCD fireplaces provide detailed digital scenes. Flame effect lamps are the simplest and most affordable option, but their visual impact is also the most limited. The right choice depends on what matters most: realism, variety, ease of use, or price. None of these devices can completely replace a real fireplace, but each can bring the appearance of moving fire into a home, without a chimney, fuel, or combustion.